Hello friends, this is Pranay Kumar. Welcome to my channel Earn with Pranav. Today I am going to show you a method by which you can earn between $50 to $100 per day. Now you may ask how? This method involves no selling, no marketing, and you can complete it within an hour or two. I will show you how. We'll be using Get Paid to Write Articles blog post. Okay. So now you can see I have searched for Get Paid to Write Articles and so many sites are coming up. Let's see this one. Now I'll show you a method by which you can write articles within minutes and the best article possible within minutes. Okay, wow, woman on writing $50 to $100, strong whispers, lifestyle, environment, and other social issues. You can read all the steps out here. Send them your best outline for an article you would like to write along your fee expectation. Topic needed to be unique and have a high impact. I will suggest that you start with low, $10 or $20 per article, and then go to $150 and $200 per article. Okay? I will show you a method by which you can write an article or 2 articles per day. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be writing articles for various websites. I will show you how to write an article. We'll be using a website called BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo. Okay. Now let's say our article is about social media marketing. Social media marketing. Now let's see these articles. Let's see this one. 5 big marketing stunts that worked. What we can learn from them. It's opening. My net is a bit slow. Yeah, you see, here it is. So what we do, we put Control A and we copy the article, Control C. I've copied the article. Now are we going to copy the article and plagiarize? No, we are not going to plagiarize. We are going to copy the idea, not the article. You see, the article is copyrighted, not the idea. No idea is original. Although I'm not a copyright expert, consult a copyright expert if you have any doubt. But no idea is copyrighted, only the articles are copyrighted. Now I'll go to Google Drive. I'll click on New. I'll click on Google Docs. Here I will paste the article. Paste without formatting. It is very important. If you paste with formatting, all the pictures, etc., everything will come there. Now I'll have to delete all these. Control Z. Okay, so here's the whole article. Now what I'll do, I'll read the whole article aloud, and then I'll identify its main points, and I'll write them down in a bullet points. All the main points I'll write it down in bullet points. Okay, say Control A, and I'll delete it. I'll show you how. I'll delete it. I'll write down everything in a bullet point. Okay, Control Z. I'll show you how. Just a minute. Here's the article. I'll open a new document. I'll read the whole article aloud and write it down in bullet points out here, like this. Everything in bullet points. Once I've written everything in bullet points, I'll again open a new document. And here I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. This new document, I'm going to create a new window out of it. And I'll do like this. Here this goes, and here this goes. You can also split your screen through this one. I'll show you. I'll type split screen Chrome extension. I'll type, and here's tab resize. You can install it, and then what you do, you just click out here, and you see click like this, and here it has been split. Now make a new document. and put this one out here. Now what you do, you have written everything down in bullet points. So now you expand those from the bullet points, and what you do out here, click on tools, click on voice typing, and here you press click to speak, and then you speak from here. So this is how you do. What you are going to do, you are going to expand those bullet points into your own words. You are going to write an article in your own words from those bullet points. That is why I suggest you pick a niche that you know very well about. Like my niche is make money online. I know a lot about make money online. I've earned a lot of money online, so I know about make money online. So you expand your whole article from bullet points and you write out here everything in your own words. Then go to a website called Pixabay. And search for pictures related to your niche, which the article you have been writing. Like say I've been writing about work from home. I'll search for work from home. Sorry, we couldn't find work. Okay, but they were there. So let's see. Make money online. Let's see this one. What's the problem with Pixabay? Okay, let's go to some other website, say Pexels. Pixabay had a lot of free pictures. I have personally written a lot of about work from home and used the pictures of Pixabay. Let's see out here. Work from home. Let's search. Say we have we can save this one. We'll save this one. Free download. You don't need to attribute. This PC downloads. Then I'll go to another website called canva.com. Here you can edit your images. I'll log in. You can edit your images through canva.com. It is free to do. I'll log in. Allow. You can edit your images for free out here and send them along with your document to those blogs. And first it will be a bit hard for you to break in that niche, but once you have written some articles and your articles have been published, you can give them as an example to the people you are writing, and your business will pick up from there. So this way, even if you publish a single article per day, you can earn around $50 per day or $100 per day, depending upon how much they pay you for the article. So this is the whole idea. If you liked my video, please click the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you get the videos as they are uploaded. And if you have got any questions, please write in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you and have a very nice day.